Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is our day 10 of SQL LeetCode problem series. If you are new in this channel, make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And also you can go and check a full playlist in the description. And today we solve 1661 average time of process per machine question in LeetCode. This is a easy type question and here we have table. The table name is activity and here we have a column name and types. Here we have four column. The first one is machine id, process id, activity type and timestamp. The table shows the user activity for the factory website. Machine id, process id, activity type is the primary key combination of column with the unique value of this table. Machine id is the id of machine. Process id is the id of process running on the machine with id machine id. Activity type is enum, a category of type start and end. Timestamp is a float representing the current time in a second. Timestamp and machine, the machine and the process at the given timestamp. The start machine will be always be before the end timestamp for every machine ID process ID pair. It is guaranteed that each machine ID and process ID pair has a start and end timestamp. This line is very important for solving this question. There is a factory website that has several machine each running the same number of process. Write a solution to find average time each machine takes to complete a process. The time to complete a process is the end timestamp minus start timestamp. The average time is calculated by the total time to complete every process on the machine divided by the number of processes that were run. The resulting table should have the machine ID along with the average time as a processing time, which should be rounded to 3 decimal. And here we have a table. The table name is activity, machine ID, process ID, activity, and timestamp. And here we have three machine. The first machine is 0, and the second machine is 1, and the third machine is 2. In machine 1, if we go in machine 1, so here we have machine ID 000. Here we have two process. For 1 is 0 and the for second for 1. Here we have two process 0 and 1. And in activity we have start and end. And same as for these three. And we have to print here output machine ID and processing time. In machine ID, we have to print 0, 1, and 2. So here we use group by for this 0, 1, 0, 1, and 2. There are three machine IDs. So here we have to print 0, 1, and 2. And here processing time is average for start and end time. So let's go and solve and write the query for it. So here we write select and here we write machine ID. Here we have to print this machine ID. Here we write machine ID. And now here what have to do? Here this is a average. So here we write average for what? Average for what? Here we have timestamp 1 and timestamp 2. So here timestamp 2. But before of this, we write here from what is our table name? Our table name I think activity. Yes, I think activity. Yes, our table name is activity. So we take as a A1 and the second one is here we write inner join. So here we write inner join and here we take activity 2, activity A2. So here say in this line, the time complete a process is end timestamp minus start timestamp. It means here we write A2 and here we write A1 for this for end and this for start and this machine ID for we use A1 activity for from activity which we have take A1 as a okay. This is a average. So here we write as a what we take in the I print, what we have to print here? We have to print here processing time. And here we take processing time. And now this thing we write in round of three order. So here we write round and this, and here we write three because here it's mentioned rounded to three decimal places. This is corrected. Now we go and write here on even in process ID is equal to P2 process ID. Okay, let's next what we have to do here A1 dot here write machine ID is equal to A2 machine ID. Now the last two line is and here we write A1 activity type is start. Here we have the type. Here we have two type. The first one is start and the second one is end. So here we write start and here we have the second one in activity type is and. So here we write and. Now the last query we have to take 0, 1 and 2 as a group. So here we write group by A1 dot machine ID. Now we run this. I think everything is correct. We run this and yes, this is accepted. Now we submit this code for checking all test cases passed or not. So yes, every test case is passed 9 out of 9. So we will meet in the next video. If you are new in this channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And also you can